Today, guys, we are going to be making Cracker Barrel, the sharp cheddar macaroni and cheese, and I'm going to tell you why I love this better than Velveeta for my cheat day. All right, the easiest thing to do is once your water has come to a boil, go ahead and put it on in. Now, once the Cracker Barrel is inside, you want to set a timer for no more than 12 minutes. Depends on your altitude. I have it on gas, about medium heat or so. I might even want to kick that down just a little bit right there. Got a nice medium. We'll dump it in for 12 minutes. And once the shells are in, right off the bat, we're going to go ahead and loosen them on up so they're not just completely sitting dead like ducks. And we're going to go ahead and stir it probably every couple minutes or so. So let's briefly talk about why I enjoy Cracker Barrel so much better. Now you can add to the recipe, you can add it a little bit more like pieces of ham in there. You can do some bacon, cooked obviously, in with the macaroni and cheese once it all is done. But you're gonna pay $2 more than Velveeta. And I'm gonna be dead honest with you. It is a fantastic taste. It is just as creamy as we're gonna find out here in just a little bit. And not to mention the day after and the digestiveness. That's what I like so much more about Cracker Barrel than Velveeta. Velveeta is fantastic. It's $2 cheaper per box, but I don't hurt. And as I mean hurt, I don't eat this all the time. Once a week, cheat day food. It's not necessarily this, but when I do enjoy macaroni and cheese, I spend the extra $2, get the Cracker Barrel. The white cheddar one is good. I like this one even better, the sharp cheddar. And again, let's go back to the digestiveness. You're not going to be hurting. Your stomach's not going to be hurting. You're not going to wish you didn't do that. It's going to go through. You're not going to feel gush after it. It's a very pleasurable experience. That's why I like Cracker Barrel better than Velveeta. It's probably just the fresher ingredients in there, no artificial flavors or dyes. Yes, you don't get the kind of the other type of shells. These are more of your traditional, but again, out of all the macaroni and cheeses that are more deluxe and fancy and worth a little extra money, Cracker Barrel is definitely going to do it. Because on cheat days, I like to carb load, but I'm training the next day. So I don't want to be in class feeling sluggish because of really nasty food, meaning that my body just didn't process it properly. Even though this is nasty, dirty food, it is very good food, meaning that it just does my body better. My brother says the same thing rather than Velveeta. Okay, we're coming up on our timer. I think we got a few minutes. We'll be back with you for drainage. Again, 12 minutes, 11 to 12 minutes. You can try a shell after 11 minutes. I always go 12 now. We don't want it to overcook and we don't want it to be undercooked either. All right, let's go ahead and drain it on in. The drainage pan right here. Now we are gonna be, of course, using our pot once again for stirring. So let's come back over here and let's shake this around. Let's get that excess water out of the middle of the shells. We'll do this probably for about another 15 seconds or so. You could even give them a couple jumps there, but just making sure they don't fall out of the container. Okay. Couple big little pops right there, just in case. We don't want to obviously put it on our kitchen floor. Back over here, putting it all back into our saucepan here, putting this over here. Go ahead and cut open your packet and empty out the entire packet on top. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and stir. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands. We're gonna stir this completely in until everything is nice and creamy. Just like this here, looking absolutely fantastic. It tastes deluxe, just the right salt. Again, don't be eating this all the time. Save it for cheat days. You're gonna love it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if it has helped you. Just have some great comfort food, some cheat day food, carb load, train hard. We're gonna eat this right now while it is hot. It tastes even better. Trust me, you want it nice and piping hot. So thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel because we have a lot more action. I showed you earlier today, it's already up on the channel, my dirty Sunday sliders, chorizo and egg sliders. We are going to be doing this first tonight. Then we're going to be doing some dirty cheat day Sunday slider grilled cheeses. So stay tuned for that. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.